Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into the highly anticipated Suzuki Jimny Sierra 2025. Buckle up, adventure seekers, and let's get started. The Suzuki Jimny Sierra 2025 is known for its ruggedness and off-road capabilities. This light commercial vehicle has a robust ladder frame, 3 ample body angles, 3-link rigid axle suspension with coil springs, and Grip Pro 4WD with a low-range transfer gear 2.4. It's equipped with a 1.5-liter engine, taking you wherever you want to go with unrivaled agility and powerful torque when you need it most. 2.4. The design of the Jimny Sierra is simple but effective. 3.12. The seating is comfortable, the driving position is spot on, and visibility is superb. 3.12. In fact, the only real issue is the lack of elbow space between you and the door. 3.12. Reviews have praised the Jimny Sierra for its part-time 4WD, low-range transfer, ladder frame, generous body angles clearance, brakeless traction control, and full active safety suite. 4.5. It's been revamped with modern features and technology for an even more exciting driving experience. 1.1. That's all for today's review of the Suzuki Jimny Sierra 2025. This vehicle is a gem in Suzuki's lineup, offering a blend of practicality, performance, and off-road capabilities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews. Until next time, safe driving.